How to generate AI music with Mubert AI. First, open the browser and search official Mubert AI music generator and sign into your account. Mubert AI music generator. Once you're inside, choose text to music and describe the type of music you want to create. For example, you could enter upbeat electronic background music with energetic drums, futuristic synths, and a cinematic feel. For better results, include details like the genre, mood, instruments, tempo, and purpose of the music. Next, choose your preferred music style and adjust the available settings. You can also select instrumental only if you don't want vocals. Now, click Generate Music and wait a few seconds while Mubert creates your track. Once it's ready, listen to the result. If you don't like it, modify your prompt and generate another version until you find something you like. When you're happy with the track, use the download option to save your music. Available formats and usage rights can depend on your plan, so check the license before using it commercially. That's it. You've successfully created AI music with Mubert AI. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI tools, music generation tutorials, and useful tech guides.